Hello, let's look at how to connect Tenable and Paladin Cloud. Step 1, log into both. Log into Paladin Cloud with admin access and navigate to the plugin page. Choose Add Plugin, then select the Tenable plugin. Next, log into tenable.io. In step 2, we're going to generate a new key or use an existing one. Select Settings, then navigate to My Account. Click the API Keys link. Now hit the Generate button to generate a new API key. You'll get this pop-up warning. If you already have an existing API key you're using, then you should use that. If it's not available, you'll need to generate this new one. And remember, any existing connections will need to be updated to this new API key. For this video, we assume you need a new key. With that caveat out of the way, hit Continue to create the new key. Step 3, copy the key and secret over. Copy the access key and paste it into the access key field in Paladin Cloud. Now copy the secret key from Tenable and paste it into the corresponding Paladin Cloud field. Step 4, add the plugin. Select Add Plugin. Wait while the two platforms are connected. If connected successfully, you should now see the plugin in your plugin list. You should begin seeing data pulled in on the next scan. If you run into any issues, check out our troubleshooting documentation or contact our support team. Thank you.